Buenos dias, amigos. Today I'm playing Airsoft on the beautiful island of Puerto Rico for a 24-hour Airsoft event hosted at an abandoned factory by a group of local Airsofters called Exodus Milson. Our initial objective is to infiltrate the factory undetected via the shoreline, sneaking our way through the jungle with my M14 EBR, remaining undetected as long as possible in hopes of maneuvering into a good sniper position where we can effectively provide sniper overwatch for our teammates below as they try and execute a high-value prisoner exchange. Hope you guys enjoy the video.